Okay, hold on. Taking my pulse here. Well, 77, going down to 75, 74. A cool tool here, a cool little toy that I have here I use for running. Anyways, hi, this is Lionel Castro, and I just wanted to record this quick video. I'm going to show you actually how I'm able to generate traffic, massive amounts of traffic. Just short story. You'll probably, if you look through all of my channels, you're going to see videos that are generating, that are already at 6,000-7,000 views per video. And the reason they have generated that amount of traffic is basically because I learned from other gurus, other people that taught me exactly how to rank a video, and that's exactly what I want to teach you guys. If you go to my blog, LionelCastroblog.com, you'll see there I have a few videos, a few blog posts that I'm showing you exactly how to search for the right keyword and how to rank a specific video so you can generate that kind of traffic. So anyways, one of the main reasons of why I wanted to create this short video is because people have asked me, how can I generate traffic for my website? Well, there's a lot of ways to do it. There's the paid way, and there's the free kind, which I honestly don't like to pay for traffic. Sometimes I do some promoting of blog posts on Facebook, but that's pretty rare. The way I do this is pretty much free 95% of the time, and I do it through YouTube videos and through blog posts. Now, if you go to my blog, you'll see that I'm consistently blogging on a daily basis, and that's probably the number one secret that I have that's generating a good amount of traffic to my blog. It's being consistent. Now, think about this. Now, look at the big picture. Let's say you were to blog or record a video on a daily basis, 5 days a week for 50 weeks a year. So that's a total of 250 blog posts or 250 videos that would be directing traffic to your blog or to your website, which you would be generating or selling a product or service or promoting a multi-level marketing business or network marketing business. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to rank a blog post or a video that has a search of about 1,000 people, 500 to 1,000 people a month. And I show you how to do that in one of my blog posts, so you can check that out. So you have to look at it more of the grand scheme of things. You're not going to, with free traffic, you're not going to generate traffic overnight. This takes a little bit of time. But if you're consistent and you're persistent, you're going to generate a lot of traffic to your website. So now think about it this way. Let's say you have 250 posts over a period of 1 year. 250 posts generating about 2 to 4% of that 1,000 people that you're targeting that are searching for a specific keyword each month. Let's say 30 people. That's assuming that you would rank at number 9, 10 of the first page, or even at number 11 or 12. You could still get around 20 to 40 people basically a month. Or in other words, one person a day. That's not a lot of people. Now, think about it this way. If you had 250 blog posts or 250 videos, now we're talking about a lot of traffic. 250 videos times 30 people a month, now we're talking about 7,500 visitors to your website, to your video, that would be promoting on autopilot your product or service or your business. So 7,500 people. Now, what can you expect with 7,500 people or 7,500 visitors? Well, the average website converts at around 2%. So 2% of 7,500 people, that's about 150 people. If you are selling a product that costs about $100, at 150 people, that's $15,000 a month in recurring income. Let's cut that in half. Let's be even more conservative. Let's say 1% converts of your website. That's still $7,500 a month that you would be generating. Now, let's say if you're promoting a network marketing business, like in the one that I'm promoting, then if you generate around 1 to 2 sales per day, you can expect an income of around $10,000 to $15,000 a month by 90 to 180 days. Of course, this is not guaranteed, but that's what the typical person does if they do make about 2 sales per day. If you're doing 3 sales, that your income jumps from 15 to around 30 to $45,000 within a 6-month period. Now, like I said, the secret to success is being consistent. And if you're consistent with your blog posts, being consistent with your videos, don't expect that you're going to make it big with one video. If you're consistent, you are going to generate traffic over time. And what you want is you want to have a lot of videos doing the marketing for you. If you have a lot of videos, a lot of blog posts, you're going to get the traffic overall from all the blog posts, from all the videos, and that's how you're going to be able to generate traffic. You'll be able to see a good amount of traffic by month 4 or 5, and not to mention by months 9 to 12. And it'll just keep on going from there. And I assure you, once you realize the amount of traffic that you're generating for your business, you're not going to want to stop creating videos or blog posts for your website. So hopefully that helps. And check out my website or my blog with a lot more tips on how to create more traffic for your business. Until my next blog post, bye for now. Make it a great day. Make it a great day.